Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a project water level indicator. Required for this project are few jumper wires, buzzer, 1 kilo ohm resistor, 9 volt battery with battery snapper, 470 ohm resistor, few LEDs, BC547 transistor and a breadboard. This is the circuit diagram of water level indicator. First of all, we'll place all the BC547 transistors on breadboard. Now we'll connect all the emitter terminals of the transistor together with the help of jumper wire. Now we'll connect 470 ohm resistor to the base of the transistor and we'll repeat the same for every transistor. Now we will connect 1 kilo ohm resistor to the collector terminal of transistor and we'll repeat the same for all the transistors. Now we will connect negative terminal of LED to the another end of 1 kilo ohm resistor and positive terminal of LED will connect it to the positive rail of the breadboard. We'll connect all the LEDs to the respective transistors in the same way. Connect negative terminal of battery snapper with the common emitter of the transistor. Connect jumper wire to the another end of 470 ohm resistor. Now we'll connect a positive terminal of battery snapper in the positive rail of the breadboard. Connect a jumper wire on breadboard to connect power rails to each other. Connect a wire from positive terminal of battery into the cup of a water. As you can see, whenever we dip the wire coming from the base of the transistor into the water, the respective LED turns on. As we know, water is a good conductor of electricity, and whenever we'll dip the wire in the water, a current starts flowing through the base of the transistor, which will in turn turn the respective LED on. This is how water level indicator is going to work. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.